Hi team, Property Friends update for the month of December. Jesus, time flying. Okay, we recently had our champion team meeting and we had a presentation on insurance. So that reminded me to just double check with you and give you the pointers. Make sure you are across your insurance policies. Some policies do not extend cover in the landlord section if you have periodic tenancy. That means when the normal lease contract has run out. Also check your cover. Unintended and accidental damage is often not covered. Essentially you get what you pay for, so there can be quite a bit of exposure and risk depending on what cover you have. Other than that, the RBA has left the interest rate at 1.5% as expected. So that's over, 27 months now. Very long time, very stable. So that's all good news. Last but not least, I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas if we don't speak before, and a happy and great New Year. Fantastic and safe festive season. And we will talk at the very latest next year. Have a good one. Bye-bye.